Hey guys, today we're making Sunky.MPEG. This time, we did another improved video. We're just gonna do more clips. One of the best clips in the world I'm going to use. Original content on Joe Kelly. This isn't funny anymore. I played this game like 3 times. I played this game like 3 times on the channel. It's not funny anymore. I played this game like 5 times. It's not funny anymore. On the channel, I only played it like twice. I'm gonna put the death scenes in the shorts. Got to go feast. Okay. This is gonna be commentary and widescreen. But this game isn't funny anymore, but the music's catchy, so that's why I come back and revisit it every once in a while. Okay, this is not funny anymore. You're on blast, they come on and get on blast. You're on blast, you're on blast. They come on and get on blast. You're on blast, you're on blast. That's good for a clip. Yeah, we're doing clips. We're gonna do silly.tiffs. Death scene clips. Tomorrow. It's been a few weeks since I posted that creepypasta video, so that's why we're doing the clips today. This game is not fun anymore. Insert Sonic quote that became an outdated meme here. The music's really funny. Okay, I can admit this game is a little bit fun. I don't want to play Nightmare Begins because I just got the chills yesterday and so many dances to dance, so little dance. Won't you dance? Sorta. Like I said, we're going straight to the gameplay, and we're going to avoid the clips. We play so many creepy games that we should make each clip for. Next one's Garden of Banban. I'm serious. Yeah. But the music isn't that great. But the music's catchy though. This is idle animation. So okay, so we're waiting until the game ends. Some of these will be part of the death scene. And this is part of the death scene. I'm never dancing to this, guys. It's from Sonic 3. Oh yeah, tomorrow for Sonic.exe one more time we're doing the I Am God screen. We're doing this one. Yeah, we're doing this I Am God screen. You fiddle the riddle? Bye guys.